Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be showing you this beautiful 2011 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT. So it's a higher trim level, it's got all the bells and whistles on it, and this one also has a A&A supercharger underneath the hood, making this have 642 horsepower, guys. It also has flex fuel, so you can run 93 octane or E85. It's going to make more power on the E85, and it does have the flex fuel sensor for that. But let's go ahead and start up front like we always do. The bumper here is in excellent condition. I don't see any kind of major imperfections, or I don't see any imperfections really. No rock chips on the hood. The paint on this car is fantastic, guys. There's no swirls or anything like that. Your headlights are in excellent condition. They're not oxidized or scratched up or anything. This Corvette is in really good condition. It's been taken care of during its life. It only has 23,000 miles on it and looks fantastic. This is a Grand Sport model, so you do get some special features for the Grand Sport. You get the wide body on it. You get the duct back here for the brake cooling. You also get this really cool fender here that has the little gills that remind me of like a shark. You've also had upgraded badging here done to black to match the car with the red writing for Grand Sport. Your door's in excellent condition, guys. We'll go ahead and open it and shut it. It's not sagging or doing anything weird. This is a convertible, as you can see. The top is automatic, so there's a button in there you can hit. This will lift up and it'll close for you and open automatically, which is really nice. As we look at the back side of the car here, your quarter panel here is in excellent condition. Also failed to mention that you have a 275 wide tire up front and you got a 335 out back to give you plenty of traction. But overall, very nice. You also have the C7 Z06 wheels here as an upgrade done in black. It definitely gives this car a really sporty and aggressive look. As we look around the backside here, your bumper's in excellent condition. I have not seen any paint flaws on this car as we've walked around it. Everything is in excellent condition. You do have Corsa exhaust here, and it's kind of got the rainbow colored metal there. It looks really, really cool. They're black tips. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk here so we can show you inside here. This car does come with quite a bit of paperwork. It has all the receipts for the work performed on it. You got an extra set of floor mats in here. You got the original window sticker, but this is all the paperwork on it here. Show you the window sticker there. If you go to our website, we have pictures of all this. Instead of pulling it all out and doing that, you can go to my website and check out all the paperwork, but I do have receipts for all the work performed. But with that being said, let's go ahead and move up front and let me show you that supercharged LS3 under the hood. All right, guys, check out this beautiful engine bay here. You've got that LS3 underneath the hood here. You still got the original engine covers there that say Corvette with LS3 black with the red writing. Just matches perfect on this car. As Justin pans over, you do see the A&A supercharger there. The oil was recently changed, and it was changed every 3,000 miles with the oil change. This car does have the flex fuel sensor over here. It's hidden underneath this valve cover, and you have your pressure regulator here as well. But this car, like I mentioned earlier, you can run E85 or 93 or a mixture of the both. It doesn't matter. The computer will adjust whatever the sensor is reading. You do have a really cool Corvette flag underneath the hood here. It looks really cool, gives it a really cool look when you're popping the hood at the car shows or when you're showing off this engine to your friends. It's definitely got a really clean and neat look. But this thing is a fun car to drive, makes plenty of power, cold AC, power brakes, all the bells and whistles you get with a modern car. But guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and wrap this part up and let's move to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, check out the beautiful ebony interior on this Corvette. One thing that stands off to me right off the bat is the Grand Sport here on the center console. You do have an upgraded head unit there. It is a Kenwood. It's got Apple CarPlay on it, so you can put your Google Maps and all your music will pop up on there. It's really cool when you're driving. You do have the Grand Sport kick plates there on the bottom that are done in like a carbon fiber. You've got some really nice floor mats that say Grand Sport on them as well. This is a 3LT, so you do get the heated seats in here, a few other things. You get the heads-up display and a couple other things that come along with the higher trim levels. But this car is in really good condition on the interior. The seats are not worn. They still show really nice. All the gauges work like they should. The heads-up display works, and this thing is just super nice on the inside. Guys, with that being said, let's go to my favorite part, and let's take this bad boy for a drive. right, guys, we're out in the Corvette, taking it for a nice little spin here on this beautiful Georgia day. So far, I'm very impressed with this car. You can drive it just like a normal stock Corvette, and it just does excellent. It gets good fuel economy. You can just cruise it and enjoy it. But when you want to, you can definitely put it in the sport mode, take the traction control off, and have a blast. But man, the steering's really nice. The alignment's great on this car. The interior is really nice. The stereo system sounds amazing. We would turn that on, but we don't want to be copyrighted on our video. AC's blowing cold. It's about 92 degrees here in Georgia. And even with the top down, I can feel that air blowing on me, keeping me nice and cool. But overall, a fantastic car, and the interior looks amazing. The car handles and performs like you would expect it. It is a Corvette, so it does that great as well. But with that being said, let's put it in sport mode and let's see what this thing's got to offer here. Man, what a badass car. We are running E85, so we are getting the peak horsepower in this, and I was shifting a little bit early there. But man, the sounds that supercharger makes and the blow-off valve is just something else, man. It just gets your adrenaline pumping. This car makes a perfect amount of power where it's still controllable. And the exhaust, that Corsa exhaust just sounds fantastic, guys. But overall, this is a fantastic car, and for the price, it's hard to find anything that would match it. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get back to the shop, and we're gonna wrap this video up. If you're interested in this car, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Justin or me, Chris, and we can get you shipping, financing, anything you need on this beautiful Corvette to get it parked in your driveway. But guys, with that being said, we'll catch you on the next one.